Click device. Machine calibration. Select device. Click next. Print then cut function. Click next. Cut connector device via USB or Bluetooth. Click next. Print out the calibration chart. Printer settings need to select the corresponding paper size, zoom 100%, adaptive page, etc. Page settings of different printer brands are inconsistent. If you already have one, click next. Select the material to be cut and use this material to print a calibration sheet for calibration work to make your cuts more accurate. Align and fix the chart to the top left corner of the cutting mat, pictured, and load it into the machine. Click Cut. View the value that coincides with, or is closest to, the cutting line. Enter the value corresponding to each partition into the software for adjustment. After the calibration is completed, let's try cutting a picture. If this prompt appears, try the following. Ensure the material is aligned to the top left corner of the cutting mat, and use a squeegee or roller for a flat surface. Make sure the mark is clear and darken it with a black pen if necessary. But please don't accidentally paint in the blank space. Pay attention to adjusting the position of the rubber ring and aligning it with the marked area. Ensure the paper is placed properly in the printer tray to avoid skewed registration marks. Ensure the mat is firmly attached to the machine roller before loading. Assist by holding the mat's ends during loading. Bent or creased mats may cause poor cutting results or an unreadable mark. Please check and adjust.